So guys, I would tell you that the best thing about this Pajo Waterfall is you could feel 100% of nature. Like you could swim in the water, you could see some fish over here, around here, and also watch the monkeys climbing the tree up there. Welcome to another adventure on One Vlog. Today we are heading to the stunning Pajo Waterfall located in the Budo Forest National Park, Narathiwat province. So this Pajo Waterfall located in the Budo Forest. Let's go. This waterfall flows year-round. The most beautiful part of the waterfall is near to the largest cliff, with water tumbling down from it with a 60-meter hike into a large basin and flow through the riverside. You see guys, there are some monkeys up there on the tree. I'm not sure if you can see it or not because with my eyes I could see it. I could see it so clear. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to follow my channel for more beautiful and stunning places in Thailand.